Hi there you guys, I'm Teddy from Bijouteo Beading, and in today's video I'm gonna be showing you how to make this beautiful bracelet. If you're new here, it's a good idea to consider subscribing and check out my next upcoming video. If you wanna support me and make me do more tutorials, please like, share and comment, and I promise I will answer to all of you that comment and have any questions. If you make beautiful jewelries following my tutorials, please share them on my Facebook page that I posted below this video. I will be really happy to see your beautiful creations. And something new, down there I post full list of materials I'm using for this tutorial and links where you could buy those materials from. These are my affiliate links, it's fair to say. So now I'm going to start. Okay guys, so for this video what you're going to need are 6mm pearls or beads, and I'm using in black and white color. And you're going to need 11 seed beads in 3 different color. I'm using red, white and black. And I'm going to need twin beads in 2 colors, black and white. What else I'm going to need are a clasp and 2 jump rings, and of course I'm going to need beading thread. Here for tutorial purposes I use monofilament. You could use your favorite beading thread, fireline, whatever you prefer. And I'm using beading needle size 10, flat nose pliers to attach my clasp and to squeeze my thread to go through size 10 beading needle, and of course scissors. Down there in the description bar I put full list of materials you're going to need for this project and links where you could buy them from. These are my affiliate links and I earn a small commission of them. Okay, so let me start by taking 2.5 feet of thread and putting it on my size 10 beading needle, and in centimeters this is 75 centimeters. Okay, I'll do it and I'll be back. Okay, and now I have my thread on my needle and I'm taking first a black 6mm bead. I'm sliding it down, and what I need to take here is a red seed bead, white twin, then again red seed bead, then again white twin, red seed bead, white twin, and I'm gonna finish with a red seed bead. And what I do here is that I go in circle from the opposite direction of where my thread is going out of. Here I'm holding my tail thread and I'm pulling. Okay, then I'm gonna repeat this from this side. I will take the same beads. Okay, and I have the same beads on my needle, and now what I'm going to do here is I'm going in circle around the same bead from the opposite direction of where my thread is going out of. And now I'm gonna reinforce this circle here of beads. One more time. I will go 1 or 2 more times around this bead. Okay, and I'm holding my tail thread all the time. Okay, and I want to exit here where my main thread and my tail thread meet, and I'm making a knot here by making a loop and going with my tail thread twice through the same loop I made. Okay, and this is called surgeon's knot, and when I pull I have this. Okay, my bead is popping up from one of my sides here, and I'm gonna continue beading. Okay, I'm gonna go through those 2 reds here, and after that I'm going through this white twin bead as well. Okay, Then I'll flip my work because it's easier for me, and as I'm exiting from this hole, I will go from the other empty hole of the same twin. Okay, and what I need here are 3 more twin beads. This time I'm taking this black color and I'm going through this white bead here. Okay, now I'm going to take 2 black twin beads, and as I'm exiting from here, I'm going through the next twin beads empty hole, and I will continue this. I'm taking 2 twin beads, going through the next twin's empty hole, just like that. Then again 3 more twins, and pay attention, here where I have 2 beads I add 3 twins, and here where I have 1 bead between those white twin beads I put 2 beads. So here I have 2 beads, so I need to put 3. Okay, so pay attention to that. And then I'm almost ready with my circle here. Okay, and I'm going here through this white bead and through the next 3 twin beads. Okay, now I will flip my work again because it's easier for me to work in this direction because I'm right-handed, and as I'm going from the down hole of this twin, I will go from its top hole as well, empty hole, and this time I need to take white 11-0. Okay, and I'm going through the next twin bead. Then again I need white 11-0. I'm going through the next twin, and I need then 3 red 11-0s, and I'm going through the next beads. Okay, then I need white 11-0, and I'm going through these twins, and then I need 3 more reds, and I'm going through the next black twin. Okay, so what I basically do here is that I here at this white twin bead I put 3 11-0s, and here between those 2 black beads I put 1 11-0 in white color, and I'm alternating them, 3 reds, 1 white, and here I need 2 whites and then 3 reds. Okay, and I'm gonna continue this and you see what will happen. Okay, and now I'm ready with my first element here, and I'm gonna go through the next few beads and I want to make some knots here and finish this element. Okay, so I'm making a loop here. I chose those 2 beads to make my knot in, and I'm going twice through that loop and I'm pulling, and now I have my first knot, and I will continue making knots, and then I'll cut my tail thread and my main thread, and the first element will be ready. Okay guys, and now my first element is ready, and what I want to do next is this type of element. It is done the same way as this one, but here, as you notice, you flip the colors. So you start with white, you continue with black, you finish with white, and here you use those black seed beads we didn't use here. Okay? And this is what we basically do. The pattern is the same, only the colors are different. You just flip the black and white beads and it's all done. Okay, now I'm gonna continue doing such elements in mostly white or in mostly black, and when I have 7 of them I will be back to show you how we're gonna assemble our bracelet. Okay guys, and when I continued beading, this is what I have. I have 4 elements in mostly black and 3 elements in mostly white. And now I'm gonna assemble the bracelet. Before that, I just wanna give you an idea that you could make actually a necklace out of it. So you could put here this central white bead and make this, arrange them like that, okay? Then you could put white, and this makes the V-shaped necklace, and you could attach a chain here. This is just an idea. Of course you could make earring out of this, or even you could make it as a ring. But now what I want to do is to make a bracelet. Okay guys, and what I want to do is take about an arm span of thread, and now my elements are arranged the way I wanna assemble them, okay? So I'm gonna start with the first one, and I will show you how I'm gonna attach this thread to this element, okay? So what I wanna do is go through one bead here, and I will pull my thread. Okay, and what I want to do is make a knot the way I showed you already. So I'm making a loop, I'm going once, and then what I do is that I'm going twice through that loop to make a surgeon's knot, and I'm pulling. Okay, and I will repeat this step at least 3 more times. And when I'm ready I will come back to here and I'll be back. And as you see now, I did some knots here, and as you see I'm exiting here, and what I want to do is make a loop of beads here, and I have one red bead I'm exiting out of, and I will take 5 more red beads, and what I do is that I'm going in circle through this central bead, red bead here, and I'm pulling, and when I pull I have this, okay? And I'm gonna reinforce this joint here by going at least 3 times with my tail, with my thread through it, okay? Okay, and go at least 3 times. And now what you might want to do is go here through some beads, and you want to reach the opposite part here. Okay, go through all of your beads. You could choose going in the middle or around the edges, it's up to you. Okay, and what I want to do is exit here and connect this element to my next one. Okay guys, and now as I'm exiting from here, my next step is to connect this element to my next one. Okay, and I want to connect it this way so that 2 beads from these sides to be outside of your bracelet. Okay, I don't know if I said it right, but I hope you understand me. Okay, so now I will connect those 2 elements by taking one black bead, and then what I want to do is go through this middle red bead here. Okay, just like that, and I'm going to pull, and I'm sliding this down. Okay, now I have this, and what I need next is one more black bead, and I'm going back through the same red one I initially went out from. Okay, and when I pull gently, this is what I have. Now what I want to do here is reinforce this joint at least 3 times. Okay, so I'm going around here, back through this red one. Okay, then back through this black one and through the next red one. Okay, and off camera I'm going to reinforce this several more times, and I will come up to here and continue connecting my elements. And when I have all my elements connected, I will be back to tell you how we're gonna finish our bracelet. Okay guys, and now my bracelet is ready. I connected all my elements, and here I did a loop of 5 beads like I did here. Okay, so now I'm gonna continue by going through some beads here and making a knot. Okay, I'm going with my thread here between those 2 beads, and what I wanna do is make a knot. So I'm making a loop like I showed you before, and I'm going once and then I'm going twice through the same loop. Okay, and then I pull. Okay, and I'm gonna continue making few more knots, and I will cut my thread, and then I will be back to show you how I'm gonna attach my clasp. Okay, so the first thing I wanna do here in order to attach my clasp is to take my 2 pair of pliers, take my jump ring and open it up. Okay, then I'm going to take my bracelet and I will put the jump ring here, and I will take my clasp, put it on, and I'm going to squeeze back my jump ring with my flat nose pliers, just like that. And now my clasp is attached. I will do this from the opposite side of my bracelet here, and I will be back to show you the final result. Okay guys, and when I repeated this from this side, I have my clasp attached, and now my bracelet is ready. So if you like it and if you wanna see more videos like this, you might consider subscribing, and also like, share and comment. And if you have any questions and comment, I will answer to all of you. If you make beautiful jewelries following my tutorials, please share them on my Facebook page. And you could check out the list of materials down in the description bar and links where you could buy beads from. Okay, so that was all from me. Bye bye!